weather and climate. Already we have learnt about definition of weather and climate and factors affecting the climate, distribution of heat on the earth. Now we will study about heat zones. Before going to learn about heat zones, we should know some important latitudes. There are 5 important latitudes on the earth. They are the equator 0 degree, the Tropic of Cancer 23.5 degree north, the Arctic Circle 66.5 degree north, the Tropic of Capricorn 23.5 degree south, and the Antarctic Circle 66.5 degree south. According to these latitudes, the earth is divided into 3 heat zones on the basis of differences in their temperature. They are torrid zone, temperate zone and freezing zone. First, we will discuss torrid zone. Torrid zone is also known as tropical zone and the equatorial region. It lies on the both sides of the equator between the Tropic of Cancer and the Tropic of Capricorn. The climate of this region have hot and humid. Because hot and humid means the countries which are the hottest, they are the wettest too. Because direct rays of the sun fall over it. The places lies to the equator experiences high humidity, high temperature and heavy rainfall. So, countries like Ecuador, which lies in South America, and Congo, which lies in Africa, are face high temperature in the daytime and get heavy rainfall in the evening time daily. So, every day they face high temperature in the morning, and then as the evening arrives, they receive a heavy rainfall. So, the places which are the hottest and wettest too. Apart from the torrid zone, there is a temperate zone, the area which lies between the Tropic of Cancer and the Arctic Circle in the northern hemisphere is called North Temperate Zone, and the area which lies between the Tropic of Capricorn and the Antarctic Circle in the southern hemisphere is called South Temperate Zone. These regions have a moderate climate or a semi-arid climate because they receive slanting rays of the sun. As these zones away from the equator and also from the poles. For example, a major parts of North America, Europe and Asia Antarctica have a similar type of temperature. That is, it is also lies in temperate zone. Neither sides of temperate zones there is a freezing zone. Beyond the Arctic Circle, in the northern hemisphere, is a North Temperate Zone. The South Temperate Zone lies in the beyond side of the Antarctic Circle. These zones receives slanting rays of the sun and get little portion of the sunlight. It remains cold and receives heavy snowfall throughout the year. So, countries like Greenland and Antarctica fall in the freezing zone. These countries are covered with snow all the year round. That is, it is freezingly cold in these zones. Dear children, I hope you understood the heat zones on the earth. In home, take one sheet, draw the globe, mark the heat zones and important latitudes